Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are signed in as an admin. Without admin access, you cannot remove a page. Once signed in, go directly to the page itself in Facebook or Business Suite to access settings. You should download or save any content you want to keep, images, post text, or message threads, because deletion is irreversible. Once done preparing and verifying your role, move on to the page settings where the deletion option is located so you can take the next action. You now navigate within the page settings to the General tab. This is where Facebook places removal controls. Once in General, scroll to the Remove Page or Permanently Delete section and click the link. Facebook will present a confirmation dialog explaining consequences. You must confirm the page name and accept that posts, photos, reviews, and follower lists will be removed. If Facebook asks for authentication, enter your password or complete two-factor authentication, so the system verifies. You finish by confirming deletion. Facebook frequently holds the page in a deletion queue for a grace period, so make sure you remain an admin until that period ends to allow the process to complete. Once confirmed, watch your notifications and email for a deletion confirmation. If something goes wrong, for example, the delete button is missing or errors appear, recheck that you still have admin privileges, clear browser cache, try the desktop site or another browser, and then contact Facebook support if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.